Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're just going to create a little mini program. It's like a login program where we log in. If we type the wrong password, we get an error message. So what we're going to do is we're going to generate a text file with an error message inside. So first of all, I'm going to create, just make it a little bit bigger, my scalar password. Whoops. Scalar password. And I'm going to assign that to admin123. That's my password. And now it's going to be my scalar greeting. I'm going to assign that to welcome to Raku. Right, we're going to create a subroutine here and call it login program. So what we do, create a scalar variable called pass and assign that to prompt. This is going to get the user input off the user, and then we've got to tell the user exactly what to do in the prompt box. Enter password. Right, okay, now we come on to the conditional evaluation statement. If the scalar pass, what was entered, is not equal to the scalar password, which is above, which is admin123. So if what we entered in the prompt box is not equal to the password, we're going to do something. And we're going to say error message. Okay, this is a new subroutine that we're going to create here. Or else, if it wasn't wrong, let's just neaten this up a little bit. We're going to print out a message using say. Let's have a look. Greeting. This is the scalar variable greeting, which is above, and when you can see greeting, it says welcome to Raku. In fact, we should actually print a little message here so the user knows what's going on. So again, with say an error occurred. Okay, so basically we've got the scalar variable here pass, which we've assigned to prompt, which will get the user information, and it will print out this message telling the user what to do. The user has to enter a password. We go into the conditional statement to evaluate that. So we say if pass, what's been typed into here, is not equal to the password above, we print out a message, an error occurred. And then what we do is we jump to the new subroutine we're going to create underneath here called error message. Or else, if that's not the case, we print out the greeting here, welcome to Raku. Okay, let's create the new subroutine. So that's going to be called error message. Right. Let's create a scalar variable called path, because we're going to create this error message on my desktop. So this here is the path to my desktop. It's not the path to your desktop, so you will have to find out what your unique desktop path is. Or else if you simply type this, you'll get an error. Okay, once we've typed that in, we have to use CHDIR, change directory to this path. Right, okay, so what we've done there. Now we're going to print out a message to the user, keeping the user informed what's going on. Generating error message. I'm going to say, please wait. So the user will see this message and know what's going on, and we're going to use the sleep function here to sleep, to pause it for 1 second. Right, what we've got to do now, we've got to create a file on the desktop with an error message in it. Okay, so I do that by saying my scalar file name, assign that to open, then we give it a name. So we call it error message.txt because it's going to be a txt file. Then we use this flag here to create it and to write to it, because we're going to put some text in it, of course. Okay, and then that's going to be scalar file name dot print, because we're going to create a line of text inside. So this is going to be the line of text. You entered a wrong password. Okay, that's the line of text inside the text file. Then what we do after that, we have to close the file. So we close it like this. So file name.close. Okay, now all we have to do is call the program. I'm going to call it login program. Yeah, so this is going to be login program. Okay, that's right. Okay, all we have to do now is save it and run it from the terminal. Raku, and then the name of the program, which is test.raku here. Hit enter. Wait. We're prompted for a password. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give the correct password this time. So admin123. Welcome to Raku. So we've done that, and we've got the greeting up here telling us welcome to Raku. Okay, I'm going to run the program again. This time I'm going to type in the wrong password. Okay, just type in any old random nonsense in there, hit that. An error occurred, generating an error message, please wait. Let's go and find the error message. Okay, so here is the error message generated on the desktop. Let's just open it, shall we? And there you go, there's the message. You entered a wrong password. So that's just about it. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and remember, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button below, give it a big thumbs up, and I will catch you guys in another video. Bye-bye.